Hello, this is my 2005 DL650 V-Strom. Today, while riding, I found that the clutch lever was having a little bit more play than I thought it should. So it's not cable stretch, that's all good, but physically the up and down seems to be an awful lot of play. So I suspect the bracket has worn, as the bike has now done 36,000 miles. So I have got myself a new one, new clutch assembly, genuine OEM, and I shall fit that now and see what the difference is. So after double checking, after 36,000 miles, yep, suspicions are right, it's worn away. Not a surprise really, with the amount of use it gets, but it's hard to see here, but as well as that being a bit of grease mixed with a bit of dirt, effectively you can see the score marks there where it's all been wearing down. You can tell by the thickness there of the alley, that little thickness there compared to that one. It's not a lot, but it doesn't take much for it to wobble, and that's what the play was. So hopefully get the new one on, get it all put back together, and the clutch will hopefully at least feel as new as it can be. Right, I've nearly put it back together, but I thought one thing I'll share just before I do put the final piece on, which is the end bar. It's the actual end bar, because this was a custom part. So the actual heavy, and it is heavy, stainless end here, and this piece were actually bought, and I'll put a link in the description, because I want to say Oblivion, but I cannot for life remember who I bought it from. But I then made this part up, this turned part here, so that the reason these have changed is because these are Renthal aluminium bars, so much smaller, so you can't fit the original ones in. But I wanted to still be able to use the OEM handguards, so turned up a special piece to effectively, and these then, that what swages out, these are absolutely solid. When these lock, they don't rattle loose, they don't slowly weep or creep over time, they lock up and they're perfect. So I shall just finish buttoning that up, and then we're all done. And that lever now, a little bit of play, but barely any. Much better, completely tidied up, all put back, switch back in, like new. Gonna take it out for a ride later, can't wait. Right, cutting back in again, because I really do need to get a tripod. This makes your life a lot easier. But that, you see, doesn't even twist, move, they're absolutely solid. And then that can come back round, and I'll probably need two hands to clip it back in. There we go, click, and done. Good as new, ready for tomorrow. Right, thanks for watching guys, have a good one.